Europe didn't just take land. They took minds, and they called it the civilizing mission. Was Africa the only target in Europe's global takeover? Africa was not alone. The same strategy Europe used to conquer Africa was used across the world. In India, Britain ruled for over 200 years. They controlled the land, the resources, and the people. While Indians starved, British ships exported grain and wealth back to Europe. In Vietnam, Cambodia, and Laos, the French ran the plantations, collected the taxes, and called it empire. They used labor, forced loyalty, and harsh punishments to keep control. In Indonesia, the Dutch dominated the islands for over 300 years. They took spices, sugar, coffee, and more. They kept the people working and the profits flowing back to Europe. In the Middle East, after the fall of the Ottoman Empire, Britain and France drew new borders. They divided the land and installed rulers who would protect European oil interests. Those lines still cause conflict today. In the Americas, Spain and Portugal were the first to arrive. Britain and France followed. They stole land, enslaved millions, and built wealth off sugar, tobacco, and cotton. In the Caribbean, plantations powered Europe's rise. The people who worked those fields never saw freedom or wealth. They saw chains. This pattern repeated across continents. Take the land, control the people, and ship the wealth out. Europe didn't just conquer Africa. It conquered the world.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.